If you own a BMW X7 with climate controls in the headlamp in your third row, the controls that you can see just right there, then you have an extra cabin air filter hiding behind this cover that must be replaced as well. I would have never thought to check this, but luckily I checked the maintenance booklet that came with the car, and sure enough, it mentions the 5-zone filter right here. To be clear, if you have the 4-zone system and don't have those controls in the back, you won't have this extra filter. Getting to this filter is super easy and it should take you less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is remove this little door on the left side of the vehicle, put it to the side, and now we have to remove this air duct. This is probably the hardest part, but all you really have to do is push this down and then pull it out. So we're gonna push it down with both hands, push it hard and squeeze it out just like that. And now it's out. So we put that to the side, and now we have access to the actual air filter door. It can then be removed by simply pushing up on this little handle right here, right, just like that. And then we can take the cover out and remove the actual filter. So as we can see, the airflow is going to be towards the front of the car. So that's what we're going to do when we put the new air filter in. Make sure we orient it correctly. And there it is. And the filter is now out. How clean is it? Pretty good on this side. What about this side? Not that clean, actually. So clearly this has probably never been changed, so it's a good idea that we're changing this. Strangely, this filter is kind of hard to find and fairly expensive at over $70, as it seems to be unique to the X7, but I was able to find one filter that actually is compatible, which is the Micron Air, and it's this filter right here. You actually get a pair for about 30 bucks. So that's a really, really good deal. Let's see if it fits. Of course, if you do want to get the original OEM one, I will have the part number on the screen, which is 64-11-5-A13-762. But I'd much rather spend $30 on 2 filters and then just swap them out, I don't know, in half a year or in a year. Comparing the two, we can see that they are the same size. So that's good to see. Same thickness, same everything. So yeah, very cool. Let's get it installed. And here's proof that this is the original filter to the car. So this is a 2020 car, and as you can see, the filter was made in 2020. So yeah, this filter is 4 years old. Anyway, making sure the new filter is pointing the right way, which is airflow towards the front of the car, we're gonna put it in the car. So we're just gonna squeeze it in right here. Shouldn't be very hard. There it is. Fits perfectly. And now we can put the cover back on. Once again, we're going to use this little handle right here. Put it just right there. Make sure it's aligned. It has to slide in, and it slides in. Perfect. And we're basically done. We just have to put this air duct back in. It's a little bit harder to put it back in than it was to take out. So you want to make sure it goes in properly here at the bottom. It goes over the air duct that's attached to the car. Push it down. And just like that. Takes a little bit of fiddling, but it goes in. And that's it. We are done. And just like that, we were able to replace this old, gross 4-year-old filter with a nice new one for under 20 bucks and in under 5 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!